welcome back to my channel. As you probably read down below, I have my BoxyCharm Premium. It finally came in and I'm super excited about all the products that I got in this box. But before we talk about it, I just gotta say few things here. If you like unboxing videos, especially like beauty, whatever, beauty related basically, I do subscribe to a lot of subscriptions out there, then this is the channel for you. So don't forget to subscribe, like this channel, and as well hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a video. And also follow me on Facebook and Instagram at D Soto Beauty Subscription. All right, let's jump in. Here is my BoxyCharm Premium. If you don't know what BoxyCharm Premium is, it's a $35 monthly beauty subscription. You get 6 to 7 full-size items. I've never gotten 7, I've always gotten 6. I will put up right here of like how much the box value should be because I always forget. You get to choose one product out of this box, which this month I got to choose. So, and I did put it on my face. I'll tell you what that is. And what else? I believe that's it. BoxyCharm does have 2 other boxes. They have a $25 monthly beauty subscription. If you haven't seen that video yet, go check that out for January. And that one is 5 full-size products, and also you get to choose one of the product in there. And then they have the Boxy Luxe, which is a quarterly box. You get 8 full-size items out of there, and that one is more like beauty, lifestyle products in there. And I believe we just got one in December, so I should be getting one in March. Yes. Okay, so let's jump into this. I got to open up the box and use the products in here, so I'll tell you what products I've used on my face. But when you open the box, Premium, it always says BoxyCharm Premium, and it is in a blue box. Here is the card. It tells you all the product details here, and as well as prices, and then they will also let you know if this is a Boxy exclusive. I don't know what's going on with the numbers, but I'll put it like close up. Don't mind the nails, I've got to redo them, but that is it. I was giving you a little sneak peek what I got here. Okay, so here we go. Here are all my products. So there was 2 products that I did not get to use out of this whole box, and the first product that I did not use is this. This is the PMD Beauty Silver Pure Makeup Removing Cloth. Get back to your pure self with the Silver Pure. Remove makeup and wash your skin with this antibacterial and anti-aging benefits of pure silver, ensuring a clean end to your day. This has a retail price, get ready, just for this cloth, just one cloth, for $30. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, this month theme is fresh start. But anywho, let's get back into this. So this is $30. Supposedly, you know, it's supposed to take off my makeup. It has this silver thing in here. I don't know. Trying to see if there's like a set. It says it's 100% polyester and it's made in China. So I don't know. We have received a product from PMD before in a BoxyCharm. It was like a tool. I think it was like a $100 value of it. It's like a massager. I think I got it in my Boxy Luxe over the summer. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. To me, okay, it's great we get a cloth, but I don't think it's a BoxyCharm Premium item. I feel like this could be in a base box, or it could have been on a Luxe as a lifestyle thing or whatever. I don't know. But it is what it is. I'll let you know because I have this one. I use this one to like, I have a couple of these. I wash my face with this. This one I use to just like wipe makeup off of my hand. This one is actually, what is it called? Vintage, something with vintage beauty or something like that. We have gotten an eyeshadow palette. Okay, let's move on. The other product that I did not get to use, and I'm gonna put up here, I got an email from BoxyCharm stating that I was getting this product even before I got my box. that I was gonna get this product in my box, and that there has been some issues with it, that people were getting irritation from it, and just like a little disclaimer and stuff like that. But let's talk about it. Here it is. Okay, so this is the Sunday Fridays Jet Lag Mask. It's a life turbulence means we can all get that lag, leaving skin stressed, tired, and thirsty. Used as a nightly mask, a daytime moisturizer, or in an in-flight lifesaver, this multitasker nourishing vitamins, cremates, and antioxidant leaves skin instantly renewed, radiant, and ready for anything. This is a retail value of $48. So I have seen other people have used this and they swear by it, they love it and stuff like that. So this is what it looks like in a tube. So BoxyCharm is just saying, make sure you test this out, you know, try it out on a part of your skin. I've heard people say try it behind your ear and just put it like a little bit there and see if you get any irritation, or to try it on your elbow part right here where there's the crease and see if you get any irritation. I do have sensitive skin, so I will try that out. I will give it a test on the back of my ear and see if I get any irritations. I'm hoping I don't, because this is like my first Sunday Fridays product, and I've heard people love this, so I'm excited about this one too, but kind of sad about what's going on. I guess there was like a batch code, I don't know, like I was reading the email. But anywho, the next product is something that I did use on my face at first, and here it is, and it is my choice item. Here it is. Okay, so this is the Fenty Beauty Pore Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. Rihanna was obsessed with creating a setting powder that wouldn't flash back. So Pro Filter was born in 8 versatile shades to melt into your unique skin tone, letting you set, perfect, and brighten without a trace. It works all day to blur the looks of pores, fine lines, and imperfection. This retails for $32. Okay, so I got the color Cashew. I thought it was gonna be like, okay, maybe this will work or whatever. And because a lot of the other colors were already like, what would I say, like they were already out, so I was kind of bummed, but I got this one. But look at this packaging. Isn't this gorgeous? It's like a mirror, literally like a mirror right here, for sure. It's so big and bulky. You get about 28 grams, so that's about 0.98 ounces, so almost one. So gorgeous. It did come in here with a cap that you can put in here separately, but I already did it, and it got dirty in there. It does say FB as well right there. You see that? It's so gorgeous. It looks luxurious or whatever, but it is plastic. So this is the part that came extra. It was inside the box, and you can put it in there because this was sealed, but this is what the color looks like. It has like those bumps, do you see that? So it can stop the product from flying out. But here is what the color looks like. I'm gonna just place it on the back of my hand. I did, when I put it on my face, I felt like, oh my god, it was like too dark or whatever, but I don't know, it did great. I did put it on my T-zone area, and I gotta say, it looks really, really good. I like it. I really, really like this product, and maybe I can, just dusty, maybe I can find a shade, a lighter or whatever, but I'm not mad at this. I could probably wear this in the summertime when I get a little darker or whatever, but I'm excited to get this product. So the next product I got that everybody received too, I think Sunday Fridays everybody got too, but let's move on. Everybody got this product, and I'm so happy. Whoever was a premium member already, they got this one. This is the Ofra Cosmetic Good to Go Mini Mix Palette. Manifest good to glow looks every time in this mini full face palette of warm shimmers and fresh neutrals. Featuring Ofra's best-selling highlighters, all the lights, this lightweight, magnetic, and interchangeable palette is the perfect add onto a pop in your makeup bag. This retails for $39. So I'm excited. This is what the back looks like. This is the only palette that I used all over my face, literally all over my face. And look at, I'm gonna show you because it's dirty because I was using it like crazy. But look how gorgeous is that. It says smile, you are beautiful. Look at that. It doesn't have a mirror, which is fine, but these colors are just amazing. Look at that. So I do have everything on my face except for this color right here. I did use this all over my lid, this in the crease, this on the outer crease, and this in my inner corner. I did put this on the inner part right here, but it didn't give me that pop that I wanted. So I added a little bit of this highlighter just on my lid, like right there. So I think it did great. This bronzer, I was kind of like, ooh, is this gonna be okay? But no, it is good. Like it's light but buildable. Like I'm amazed by it because I'm very picky with my bronzers. Let me see if I can do a swatch. So here it is already, like I swatched it right there. It is so buildable. It is light, but it's buildable, and I like that because the two bronzers that I really use and I love is the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil and the Butter Bronzer. Yeah, the Butter Bronzer, the famous one. Those are like the only two that I love and I go to all the time. Now this blush too is also buildable. It is very nice. Here it is. It's very light, but once you start building it, it just bam, it's in there. Like I don't know if you can tell. It is gorgeous. It's very blendable and buildable. I love it. There's some blushes where you go in there and then you put it on, you're like, whoa, that's way pigmented, and you have to, like, you know, be careful how you go in there. This one I could put a brush in there and go really in there, and it's not gonna overpower my face, and I could just build as much as I want. So this one is very gorgeous. Hi guys, and I like that. I had a cough attack. Oh my goodness. So as I was saying, this one is called Intentions Current. This is Clean Slate Reset, Fresh Ready. This one is Ambitious and Goals. And then this highlighter here is called All of the Lights because I feel like it's like the best sellers of the highlights. But these colors are amazing. I'm in love with them. As you can tell, they're all like all over my eyes. They are very buildable. I did enjoy them. Look at that. Look at this. Oh, I did it wrong. But look at that green, that mint green. I do have it in my inner corner. Like, it's just amazing. This highlighter, I just literally swirled the brush and I put it on. Look at this. It is gorgeous. Ofra is best known for their highlighters. They're just amazing. Look at that color. You see that? It is so gorgeous. You can just like, oh, maybe I just want this one or this one or this one, or maybe I want them all. I did all of it and I love it. I love this palette. It is amazing. The only thing I was kind of upset, it was this one right here. It is not that like, it's not like, I don't know. That's what I had in my eyes, and then I add the highlighter and it popped. But here is the chrome, like the gold copper one. It is really pretty. So I think this one would be nice by itself or whatever, but I don't know. What do you think? I did enjoy this palette. I do love it. Ofra never disappoints me. I do like all their products so far. So I am very happy that this is in. All right, so we got 2 more products to go, and here we go. The next product that I have on is what's on my lashes. This is the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. Designed to deliver Rihanna's full lash look, Full Frontal Lightweight Ultra Black formula was specifically paired with an exclusive flat to fat brush. The fat side holds a max products to quickly load and lift lashes. The flat side defines and curl. This retails for $24. It is, I thought this was funny. It's called Cause I'm Black. so perfect. And this is what it looks like. When I saw this, I don't know why. If I'm wrong, just let me know. But why does this give me Anastasia Beverly Hills vibes with their mascara? I know this one, like, I don't know, it just gives me that. But I'm not mad at it. It is gorgeous. This is what my lashes look like. I'm gonna look at you guys like that, all weird. I did do 2 coats, but of course you can't judge a mascara on the first round. You gotta let some air, once you get some air hit in there, whatever, it starts performing very well. I did not get the whole like lift because my lashes are like that, but this is what the wand looks like. This is what it meant, that it looks fat, and then when you turn it to the side, it is like flat. So that's what it means. It is, I mean, I worked it in, and I'm gonna still give it a try. Like, I don't judge the mascara on its first round. I give it a couple more tries, and then if nothing happens, then I'm like, okay, it's not that great. But I will still now onto the last product, and it's what's on my lip. It is paired with a lip liner, because it was, you'll see what I mean. Okay, so here it is. I got the Laura Mercier Rouge Essential Silky Cream Lipstick, the Ultra Statement Making Lipstick, weightless, high impact, long lasting color with satin finish. This retails for $32. What? I didn't know that. Okay, so I got the color Coral, and this is what the packaging looks like. Super cute. All my fingerprint is all over it. What I like about this is, look at this. You ready? It's magnetic. So it's super, I love magnetic lipsticks. Like, I don't know why. So this is what it looks like. So you see what I mean? How, and it says Mercier right there. It's printed. So I paired this with a Wet n Wild lip liner, Lay Down the Moths, and this is what the color looks like. So yeah, for sure I had to pair it with the lip liner so that it just didn't like wash my face out or whatever. But it does feel very creamy. It feels really nice on the lips, so I'm not mad at it. Yeah, like just not the color I would, you know, gravitate towards, but I don't mind pairing it with like a lip liner, and then just give it a hint of something, you know. So yeah, this is great. Because wasn't it last month they gave me a Fenty product that was like green? So this is better. So that is everything that I got in my BoxyCharm premium box, and of course over here I will put the total amount of what my box retailed. Yeah, let me know, was this a great box this month? I gotta admit, out of all the products, the only one that I'm kind of like is this. 5 out of the 6 products, that's what I'm kind of like but it's okay. I still did enjoy this box. I enjoyed the products. I'm not mad at this face. It's great. So let me know down below, what did you think of my box? Like I said in the beginning, if you like this video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified when I upload videos. Also, don't forget to follow me on my other social media accounts, which is Facebook and Instagram at The Soto Beauty Subscription. All right, my loves, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are being safe out there and staying healthy, and that is it. I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Mwah.